Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today I'm really excited. We're going to be doing a unboxing slash makeup haul. So I'm really excited, and I just wanted to let you guys know that in no way, shape, or form that this is me bragging. This is me just showing you the makeup that I have right now and that I've gotten like on sale and stuff like that. And maybe some other things that aren't makeup related that I want to do on my channel, and I just want to know your thoughts and what you guys would like me to do a video with next. So that's why I'm showing you, is because I think it'd be fun for you guys to tell me what you want to see. I love when you guys suggest videos, so this could help jumpstart some of those suggestions. So the thing is I actually have a few things in here that aren't makeup related at all that I thought would be fun little things to do, whether I like vlog them or use my camera, and I may have to have assistance for some of them, but I really want to try to do a couple new things on my channel besides just makeup, and I also want to try to have people on my channel, so maybe I can have someone help me do these things. But as your curiosity is running, I will just show you the first thing that I'm really excited to do. Slime! I got glitter slime, love that. So it like comes with glue and a magic liquid that helps make the slime. So I thought about making like homemade slime, but there's so many different like ingredients, and I wasn't really sure what would actually end up making slime. So if you guys would like me to actually DIY slime by making it with stuff at home, definitely let me know. But with this, I thought this would be a fun way to make slime. You can make like red or blue slime, I guess. So this will be exciting. I might have somebody join me on my channel to make this, but definitely let me know if you guys want to see this. I think it'd be fun. So what I'll do is I'll show you the non-makeup related things first, and then I'll show you all the makeup. So I also got this cute bandana. It's got like donuts on it and like rainbows and pizza and watermelon and ice cream and cactuses and all kinds of fun stuff, so I thought that'd be cute to put in my hair. Next, I have these crystals. So you're able to turn these rocks into crystals somehow. You see these rocks at the top of the packaging bouncing around. Well, apparently you can turn those into crystals, so I'm really excited to learn how to do that. The directions and everything I think are on the back and stuff, so that'll be a fun video. This is a DIY bath bomb. So basically it comes with a surprise figure that you can like put inside. It's like a little figure that you put inside there, and it comes with like a heart shape, so you can make like a heart-shaped bath bomb. So I figured I'd make it and like put it in water and show you guys. Thought that would be a really cute video, so definitely let me know if you want to see that. And lastly, this is something that my husband got me. It's this Chia Emoji. I thought this was really cute. I've never had like one of those like Chia pets, but basically you like make it grow and he can have like an afro basically, but it gives you a bunch of different like faces, so you could like make your own face on it. So you could pick if you wanted him to be a cool sunglass guy or heart eyes or whatever the case may be. So I figured I would show you guys me putting him together, making him, and then even maybe a little bit of a like process of it like slowly growing. So definitely let me know if you want to see that. So now to the makeup. One of the first things that I think I'm the most excited about is this Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Everybody talks about this and raves about this, how it's an amazing primer, that it fills in your pores, which I always need, and I definitely need, and that's what I look for in primers. So as you notice, a lot of the primers that I use are like blurring primers, like the Cover FX blurring primer and stuff like that. So I always try to look for blurring primers because that's what I personally need for myself. Maybe for you that's not what you're looking for because you don't have a problem with pores. So I do try other things on my channel just that have like other purposes, but blurring is what I'm specifically looking for. And what's really cute is it's like a mini, so it's not actually the full size. So it's a little version of it, so adorable. Can't wait to try her out. I ended up getting the mini version because I was scared if I didn't like it that the full version's like 60 bucks, and I definitely wasn't gonna spend that kind of money, so I got the mini version just in case. This It's My Pleasure Colourpop eyeshadow palette, what's really sad is this is just the container. The palette's actually sitting over to the side because that actually came broken. But Colourpop actually worked really well with me, and I emailed them and I was like, hey, mine came in broken. And they were like, oh, no, we'll send you another one. So they did, and I haven't received it in the mail yet, but they're sending it my way now, so that's really exciting. So I'll keep the broken one and then do a video showing you guys how to repair it. If you guys like to see that and maybe other tips and tricks, definitely let me know. But when this one comes in that's not broken, I'll probably put it in my next giveaway, so definitely be watching for that. But they had this little sale going on where the primer, their setting spray, and their setting powder were all in like a bundle, and it was on sale, so I picked it up. So I got the Colourpop All-Star Matte and Blur Face Setting Spray, which you guys know I like blur because I like to blur my pores, so that's really exciting. And I'm oily, so a matte spray definitely sounds good for my skin. And the All-Star Matte and Blur Primer, so I thought those would probably go really well together because they're both matte and blur. And then the setting powder, which is the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. I already love the Colourpop No Filter foundation, the stick and the liquid. I know I love the liquid because I used it on my wedding day and it lasted for like 16 hours. And it was awesome. So I still need to try the stick out more. I did like it the first couple times that I tried it, but I still need to test it out a little more before I suggest it to you. But I do love the foundation. So I'm finally going to try the powder that everybody raves about, the Coty Airspun. I was always scared that it would give me flashback because some people say that that happens when you use this powder, so I was always scared to use it, but flashback only happens if you're taking flash photography photos. So knowing that about this product, I definitely wouldn't take flash photography photos. But this is the Translucent Extra Coverage. Seems like there's a lot of powder in there, so really excited about that. Also got this Essence Cosmetics Lashes Kit. It's got it's got 4 different of their formulas in it. So what I thought about doing, sorry if you guys hear the noise in the background, my husband has his friends over. I'm just gonna try to talk over it, but basically comes with 4 different formulas. I thought about doing a video where I like lapse me trying out each one and showing you how it performs, so definitely let me know if you want to see that. So next we have this lip collection from Ulta. There is some lip glosses and lip creams. I'm not sure if the lip creams are like dry down lipstick, liquid lips, but this is the Lip Glossary 15-piece deluxe lip gloss kit. So there's like some matte ones, some shimmery ones, and maybe I'll do like a video where I try each and every single one on and show you guys what it looks like, so definitely let me know if you want to see that. I have this cool green tea wash off mask. Hey guys, so as you can see, different shirt, different hair, different day. My camera battery died and I didn't get to finish filming this video, so I'm going to finish it right now. So I still had a few more products in this unboxing, so let's just continue on. So I have the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. And I bought these both online. That one looks like it might be an okay match, but this one's definitely going to be way too dark for me. It's the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation. But I have a like pure white one that I used for like Halloween and things like that, so I may like mix those to try to make this one lighter if it needs to be, but we'll just see what happens. I have this Milk Blur Stick primer, so this is supposed to like blur your pores and things like that. Prime skin and blurs pores for a smooth matte finish that prolongs the wear of makeup. I have this LA Girl Pro Prep HD Smoothing Face Primer. LA Girl Pro Setting HD Long Lasting Matte Finish Setting Spray. I got 2 lip liners. One's the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in shade Sand Nudes and the NYX Wonder Pencil in shade Light. And last but not least, I thought this was really cool. It's the Disney Snow White 7 Dwarfs Mini Lipstick Set Collection from, I always have a really hard time saying the name, Besme Cosmetics. But this is what the packaging looks like, and it's like 7 lipsticks. These are all the colors of the lipsticks. They've kind of all fallen down, so yeah, but they're like mini lipsticks, and I'm really excited to try these out. I think it'll be fun, and I love that it's like Snow White themed. That's so cute. So that's all for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If anything caught your eye, definitely let me know and I can try it out first. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.